Hello, in front of me I've got REALME GT 2 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, tap button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match and enable OK Google. Tap next, agree, OK Google, OK Google, OK Google, Hey Google, OK Google, OK Google, OK Google, tap finish and go back. Enter lock screen and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, OK Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be cloudy with a high of 57 and a low of 39.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.